Well, welcome to Lone Crow Adventures, the channel where we talk about all things camping, hiking, and backpacking. If you haven't done so already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. There is a ton of content on this channel I know you will enjoy. Today, I'm going to be introducing you to the Lifestraw Go portable water filter bottle. Hi, I'm Samantha, and this is Lone Crow Adventures. This is the Lifestraw Go portable water filter bottle. This thing is really great if you're going on day hikes, and I purchased it to use on a canoe trip, so this way I can just dip the bottle in the water and have fresh, clean water access whenever I'm paddling. So far it's performed really well. I'm pretty happy with it. Now, before I fill this water bottle and start the filtration process, I just want to take a little time and go through some of the specifications. The overall item weight comes in at 6 ounces, and its water capacity is 650 milliliters or 22 fluid ounces. So it holds a good amount of water. The unit can be purchased for around $50 brand new. So we'll go through some of the filters. There are 2 filters in here, and it's easy to use. They just disconnect. So this first one here, this is the carbon filter, and you can pick up a replacement 2-pack of these for around $10. The carbon filter, what its job is to remove chlorine, heavy metals, and improve the overall taste. And it needs to be replaced every 25 gallons of filtration. The second filter is this hollow membrane filter, and you can pick up a replacement of these for about $26. And what its job is to remove any bacteria like E. coli, giardia, parasites, protozoa, and anything else nasty that's in the water that's out to get you. And it needs to be replaced every 1,000 gallons. One of the downsides about this filter is that it does not filter viruses. So if you're planning on taking this bottle on some international travels, you may want to consider purchasing a unit that also has the capability of filtering viruses. Viruses in North America are not a big consideration in our water sources, but if you travel internationally, that's something that you're going to want to consider. Now, when you're filling this bottle, you want to make sure that you keep the clean end, which is a straw on this bottle. You want to keep that away from the contaminated water, because that puts you at risk if that touches the water. So just keep this out of the water. You dip it in here. So you can see there is a bunch of gunk floating around in there, and this water filter is going to take all of that stuff out, keep it out of your body. Tastes great. In fact, it's actually better than the tap water at home. You do have to suck quite a bit to get it out, so it's not like drinking out of a regular water bottle. There's a little bit more work that goes into it, so just be kind of conscientious of that. But overall, it's great. It's really performed for me well on this trip, and I'm really happy with it. The other thing I like about Lifestraw is that for every Lifestraw product that you purchase, they donate the supplies to provide a child in need with clean drinking water for the entire school year. So you feel really good about supporting a company that likes to give back in that capacity. So that's another reason I like Lifestraw. Now, if I had to rate this bottle on a 5-point scale, I would give it 4 out of 5 stars. And there's 2 reasons for that. The first is it doesn't filter viruses, so that's kind of a consideration. And the other reason is that it is not a versatile water filter. So it's intended to be a primary hydration source. You're not able to filter water and then cook with that water. The only way to actually filter water is to intake it orally. So it's not a versatile water filter. So that may be a consideration for you in choosing a water filtration product. But overall, for its use as a water bottle and as a primary hydration unit, it's been fantastic. So I would definitely recommend it for that. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you learned a little bit more about water filtration. If you haven't already done so, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you can be notified next time I put out a video. In the meantime, get out there and have fun.